Could gold get repriced? For decades, the U.S. has been carrying the largest gold reserves in the world on their books at an outdated price. But now the new administration is thinking about repricing that. What could that mean to the global markets? Let's take a look. Economic uncertainty means you have to keep up with what's happening. Make sure you subscribe and we'll keep you in the know. At the start of February, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent dropped a bombshell, hinting at unlocking government assets to generate liquidity. Bessent put it bluntly, "We're going to monetize the asset side of the U.S. balance sheet for the American people. We're going to put the assets to work, and I think it's going to be very exciting." This single statement sent analysts scrambling. Could gold get repriced? Currently, the gold reserves are priced around $11 billion. If they were to be repriced at the current value of gold, it would drive that up to $760 billion. Sounds like a no-brainer, but let's take a look at what it could mean. Lou Crandall, chief economist at Wrightson ICAP, warns, "From a narrow balance sheet perspective, this would be the functional equivalent of a new round of quantitative easing. And would this actually help U.S. finances? State Street's George Milling Stanley isn't convinced. The notion we might revalue or sell our gold and pay our debt has come up from time to time, but there's nowhere near as much gold in our reserves to do that." But here's where it gets really interesting. If the U.S. revalues gold without selling it, the impact on gold prices could be massive. Francisco Blanch, head of commodities research at Bank of America Securities, believes it would be a major tailwind for gold. It would show that gold is no longer this barbarous relic. Now even the biggest central bank of them all is taking a renewed interest. Independent analyst Brian Hicks takes it even further. Revaluing gold at market prices would not only strengthen the U.S. balance sheet, but also catalyze a worldwide shift in gold markets and commodity investments. Hicks adds, "A revaluation of Fort Knox gold reserves would legitimize gold's monetary role, reinforcing its importance as a financial asset." So will it actually happen? First, the current administration plans to audit the gold at Fort Knox. What they do next, we don't know. However, gold is already thriving, and the speculation, if it turns to reality, could have a major impact not only on the U.S., but could reshape global finance.